Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of tall crystal candle holders. And what you're going to need some of this gold bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. You'll need some of these stretch loop rhinestone napkin rings, also from Totally Dazzled. And then you'll need some of these rhinestone buckles, also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What are you going to need from Dollar Tree? You're going to need 2 of these glass hurricanes. You're going to need 2 of these little mini white candles. And they can really be any size up to 2.5 inches in diameter. So you wouldn't want to go any larger for this particular project. And I've got 2 little champagne flutes here. And these are actually from Goodwill, but you can find something similar at Dollar Tree. If not in the store, you can find these online. I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make your components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need to complete these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam crystal candle holders and Glam candles turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. I did decide to go ahead and keep the candle holders themselves simple because the candles are pretty elaborate. But you can go ahead and add as much embellishment to the candle holders as you'd like. And you could certainly use, you know, any kind of pillar candles that you'd like to use in them as well. I did go ahead and switch up the buckles. I had the square buckles originally, but I decided to go with the ovals for this particular project on the candles. I think it looks nicer. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.